Good afternoon everyone. Maglalakad po ako dito sa Satwa, going to the shop. Pare-repair ko yung aking mobile. Sobrang init dito. 45 degrees ako. UAE diba? Ito yung gold shop naman. So much hot. See, we're gonna cross the road. I'm going here to the road. Nakatakot tumawid. Hot. Dubai. Sobrang init dito pero naglalakad ako. Wala akong payong kasi ayoko magpayong masyadong siya pa yung dadalhin ko. Okay lang ako natural. Yan, dito na po ako sa shop. May shop. Okay, shop namin. Pare-repair ko lang yung aking mobile. Sagot lang. Dito naman po yung mobile shop. Ngayon nagpa-repair dito. So, tingnan nyo po yung mobile shop nila. This one, Galaxy. Yan. Any items, pwede po siya itabi. Vivo. There's no iPhone. It's nice if an iPhone. Yan na po. Ano po ang shop na to na napuntahan ko. Dito lang po siya sa Dubai. Hindi ko lang kung anong pangalan ng shop. I'm gonna go outside. We just wait for few minutes, then I get my one mobile. This I don't know with what kind of shop it is. PTI mobile shop. See, this is only in Satwa, Dubai. So if you have a repairing shop or you wanna buy a mobile, so you can come here to Dubai, Satwa. See near of restaurant of what's that? Haram restaurant. This is Dubai. Okay, thank you guys. Follow me. Please subscribe my channel. This is Barbie Doll, and good afternoon to everyone. So nice. Maraming mga Pilipina dito.